EPCOR provides repair and maintenance services for APU and pneumatic components. As part of Air France KLM, EPCOR knows what is important to an airline. APU failure results in a decrease in aircraft availability and reliable operations, not to mention the significant costs involved with aircraft on ground. To assist airlines in this matter, EPCOR designed PROGNOS for APU, an online tool that detects and predicts APU maintenance needs. Now engineers have an on-the-go overview of the status of their APU fleet. Furthermore, PROGNOS for APU automatically shows which life-limited parts need replacement. And it only takes a single step to automatically send your APU data to the PROGNOS database. Additionally, as continuous innovation is in EPCOR's DNA, PROGNOS for APU will be updated and improved constantly. In short, PROGNOS for APU is the tool to gain insights, ensure aircraft availability and decrease costs. Interested in a demo? Go to prognosforapu.epcor.nl to get yours.